Let's make carne en su jugo. We're going to start by cooking the bacon, which is 1 pound of bacon. Make sure it's nice and crispy. Then remove it from the pan. And on this same pan with all that yummy drippings from the bacon, saute 4 chile gueritos, yellow peppers, and 3 to 4 green onions. Saute them for about 5 minutes, then remove them from the heat. You're going to want to use the same pan for all while you're cooking all of your ingredients. So now, after you remove the green onions and the peppers from the pan, add your steak. I have 3 pounds of aguayon. This is just sirloin steak. Cook it for about 10-15 minutes in a blender. We're gonna add 10 tomatillos and the chile gueritos with 4 garlics and salt to the taste. Blend it, make your salsa, and after this is done, just add it to the meat and let it simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes on medium low. Add your cilantro and add the nopales. I have about 2 cups of nopales. Once you have add your nopales, go ahead and add the green onions and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes in medium low. This is a very typical dish from Jalisco, from Guadalajara. You can find it in a lot of restaurants over there. Very tasty, has a lot of flavor, very comforting food. The way you want to plate this dish is you add fresh boiled beans to a bowl, then add your carne en su jugo with bacon, the crispy bacon on the top, and Lord, this is delicious.